Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly's AI features if you prefer a more traditional grammar checking experience without the AI-powered suggestions. This tutorial will show you exactly where to go and what to disable. Let's get started. First, open up a browser window on your computer and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. After successfully logging in, you'll be automatically directed to your Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored and displayed. Now that you're on the dashboard and your documents have loaded up, it's time to access the settings where the AI features can be controlled. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. In this menu, locate and click on Account. This is the central hub where all your profile information, preferences, and account details are managed. Once you're in the Account section, find and click on Settings to proceed. Within the Settings section, you'll see several different tabs and options for customizing your Grammarly experience. What you're looking for here is the Feature Customization tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is specifically designed to let you control which features are active and which ones you'd prefer to keep disabled. Once you're in the Feature Customization section, scroll through the options until you locate the Generative AI feature. This is where all of Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistance lives, including things like tone suggestions, rewrite suggestions, and other advanced AI capabilities. You'll notice there are toggle switches next to each AI feature. Simply turn all these toggle switches off to completely disable the AI features. By doing this, you're opting for a more traditional grammar and spell check experience without the additional AI-driven suggestions. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Grammarly's AI features, giving you full control over how the platform assists with your writing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.